Welcome to Rise Art. We are the easy way for you to discover and collect artwork from rising art talent at affordable prices. We rent original artwork from a highly curated selection of artists from as low as £25, and you can buy, swap or return your work at any time. Without a trusted guide to the art world, discovering and purchasing unique work by talented artists can be an expensive, time-consuming and intimidating process. Rise Art believes that original works by acclaimed artists should be available to everyone. We're here to help you discover original artwork at affordable prices. Rise Art's social community lets you follow and connect directly with artists and their upcoming events. While any artist can submit their work, the artwork sold on Rise Art has been expertly curated based on your votes and the endorsement of the Rise Art Board of Curators. Rise Art offers exclusive limited edition prints and originals to our members. Our art rentals allow anyone to trial artwork before you buy. If you love it, keep it. Otherwise, return it to Rise Art at no additional charge. Become a member today and discover the artwork you'll enjoy for years to come.